Le- Learning cover for some users particularly those not familiar with virtual data rooms. There are many there may be a learning cover than adopting this is platform training their and sport are essential to help user navigate navigate the assessment effectively that previous and common complaints adherence to data privacy regulations such as GDPR or HIPAA is circle when using various organizations. Most instances that there are chosen for platform complaints with relevance that data protections lies user adoption. The successful adoption of wider videos released on the well willingness of all stakeholders to use the proper platform resistance to change or lack of use. Understanding can hinder the sailors in this integration of provider readers in